Okay, let's try that again. When she sits on your face, but your mouth is at her asshole and she keeps with it. Oh, Jesus Christ. S Laughter says, Kriegasm.
S_laughter said S laughter says Kriegasm.
Good shit, S_laughter. No! Script! Yo, what's going on, Hobbit? How you doing today, man? Pass the bleak. Fuck. Oh god, no. Not that one, please. Terrible chicken RNG, but we roll with it. When you Bonner. I like to pronounce boner as Bonner, just to piss people off.
This will be my last copy pasta.
Oh god, no. That's how you know it's gonna be dank as fuck. Yeah, I'm a little confused by it too, Hobbit, but we're just rolling with it. Yo, nice try, Zoom.
That's ambitious. 4?
Fuck. That was weird.
Oh, I didn't post it all. But... Oh yeah, I forgot Twitch is like a limit to what you can post. Which is good.
Yeah, that's a very good thing.
If Twitch didn't, I would be like so bad. One time I almost posted the entire like script to all the lines in that one SpongeBob episode of Chocolate.
Yo, oh my god, my friend once did that entire episode as a monologue for an acting class. There were some rough spots in that Aranos, but we ran it back a little bit. Didn't lose too much time. I just read that first line, I'm already done. No, Scrit, no! Why? Jesus fucking Christ.
Shit, script.
You need to calm the fuck down. Daddy won.
You guys think you're the meme kings, but then you have to face me.
No, you're not even memeing, you're just spamming shit. That's all you're doing.
Your point?
You know what? You're right, I didn't have a point, Scrit. You win. I did not have a single point.
I already know what this guy class is, I just like the language.
I remember when this was an meme stream. No! Everybody fucking stop, okay? Fucking, it ends right now. No more spamming this fucking bullshit. You guys are done.
Look at you. Zem, I like how you went from 41 viewers to 50 because of this.
I don't know if it's because of this. I think it's just because Europe is waking up.
Hands at these memes.
Yo, Zettelin, thanks for the host, man.
See if you.
I don't mind the memes, but let's just, like, chill on the spam.
Ricky? That's actually funny.
Is the 80 carry of speedrunning? I could have charged a little bit there, but that's fine. I don't really need triple charge, so I'm not going to do it. Still going to be saving some time, which is good.
Mm.
Okay, no, Scrit, stop.
Okay, I'll stop. Damn it, Skirt. don't leave us hanging. But you can't make fun of Kermit with this match on the line.
Dude, I'm tired of the BS script. He's going off.
I can't handle my daddy that spams like this. I'm going to be my new daddy.
I don't know what it is. I can never get a fucking good Grelbin in NG+. I just, like, choke it all away.
Okay, I'm back. Can you just imagine what all this is going on? Like someone like Kung Fu just pops in the chat.
Yeah, like I just get a raid from some hot and spicy girl. Yo, welcome back, Kara. It's not perfect, but it's good enough so far. All right, let's get this. Let's get this once and for all. Good enough. You got it. There we go.
Holy shit. That was sketchy for a second, dude.
Yeah, it was
Yo,
mad
oh, that
sketch.
fucking thing.
10-22.
Nice.
Nice, dude. Wow, dude.
It's okay.
Congrats, that's awesome.
This is the
Thank
real
you.
Stories widget. Quark had
Whew.
a tiny supply closet all this time.
Alright, now you guys can spam your fucking hearts out. I don't give a fuck now. You guys can
Yo, I got
spam.
the
You guys, oh my god. I shouldn't have said anything, no. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, no.
It could
All the people who wanted to say real things.
And the select to the very last.